Hello everyone. Do you know every year around 1.7 crores people die due to cardiovascular diseases, accounting for more than 31% of death rates globally. And this is due to lack of cardiovascular health and certain lifestyle habits. Cardiovascular diseases is the leading reason for deaths worldwide. To create awareness and its preventive measures to manage cardiovascular health, World Heart Day is celebrated every year on 29th of September since 1999. The idea of having World Heart Day globally was introduced by the Anthony Bass de Luna, the former president of World Health Federation. So, what are the preventive measures to keep heart healthy? One is dietary management, second is physical activity, third is quitting smoking and alcohol, fourth is stress management. So, this is the picture from the Yashoda Hospital where I work as intern. This is a certificate of participation in World Heart Day. Diet therapy remains the first line of treatment for patients. For more details, follow my channel. So to maintain healthy heart, dietary guidelines has to be followed. Like patient should maintain the body weight slightly lower than the standard weight. That is body mass index should be controlled. Accordingly, total calories should be restricted. Calorie intake and physical activity should be balanced to maintain a healthy body weight. For the obese, weight reduction is the key to prevent and treat chronic heart disease. BMI, that is body mass index, between 18.5 to 25 is normal, 25 to 30 is overweight, 30 to 35 is obese, that is class 1, 35 to 40 obese class 2, 40 more than 40 is obese class 3. The patient should eat variety of foods which are low in fat, saturated fat and cholesterol. Trans fat should be avoided. Intake of bakery products should be limited. Soft margarines have less trans fatty acids than stick margarines. Vegetable oils rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids like safflower and sunflower oil should be included in the suggested combinations. Solid fat should be avoided. Olive oil rich in monounsaturated fatty acids can be included. Small quantities of almonds and walnuts can be consumed to bring down the cholesterol levels. High amounts of nuts and oil seeds increases the calories and fat content in the diet. Coconut should be restricted in the diet as it contains high amount of saturated fatty acids and it is a concentrated source of energy. Egg yolk contains cholesterol. Hence, egg should be restricted 2 to 3 eggs per week. Cholesterol containing foods should be limited in the diet. Animal foods like meat and pork which contain high amount of saturated fat should be avoided. Chicken can be taken instead of red meat. Shrimps and crabs have less amount of fat and can be included in the diet. All seafoods are rich in sodium, hence hypertensive patients should avoid these foods. 2 servings of fish per week in the diet is beneficial as they contain omega-3 fatty acids. People who do not eat fish can take 1 gram fish oil capsule per day. Patients should take skim milk or low-fat milk. Olive oil which contains monounsaturated fatty acids and phenolic compounds has favorable effect on blood lipids. It increases HDL and decreases oxidative stress. And cooking method should be boiling, steaming, grilling and baking without fat are preferable methods for cooking. 5 servings of fruit and vegetables should be included in the diet not only to meet the nutritional requirement but also to meet antioxidant and fiber requirements. Fruits and vegetables can be taken as snacks. Foods rich in antioxidants containing carotenoids and vitamin E protect from cardiovascular diseases. Whole grain cereals, fruits and vegetables increase the antioxidant content of the diet. The diet should be rich in fiber by including Foods like raw salads, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, and sprouted grams. Constipation should be prevented by including plenty of water and fiber in the diet. The patient should avoid taking preserved foods, especially high energy syrups, sauces, and gravies. Food giving only empty calories like sweetened beverages, alcohol, and sago are totally avoided. Concentrated foods like sweets, chocolates, cakes, pastries, ice creams, and fried food should be restricted or preferably avoided. Artificial sweeteners can be included occasionally in the diet. Intake of beverages and food with added sugars to be minimized. Coffee and tea can be taken in moderation. Excess amount of caffeine increases the heart rate. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.